Hello out there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at mathematics. Now we have a question on the board. It reads, if sine squared theta equals 1 over 3, what is 72 cos 2 theta? How do we solve this question? Let us go. Based on what we are having here, recall that cos 2 theta, okay, is equal to cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. Is that clear? Now, based on what we are having here, also note that cos squared theta, all right, is equal to 1 minus what? Sine squared theta. So it means that anywhere I see cos squared theta here, I'm going to slot in the value of 1 minus what? Sine squared theta. So we are having cos 2 theta now is equal to, now our cos squared theta will be this, 1 minus sine squared theta minus sine squared what? Theta. Is that clear? So we are having cos 2 theta now is equal to 1. Now minus sine squared theta minus sine squared theta will give us minus 2 sine squared what? Theta. Is that clear? All right. Now let's come back to this. Okay, we are asked to find the value of this. So now 72 now, okay, 72 cos 2 theta, all right, can be written as 72. Now cos 2 theta now is 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. So it becomes brackets open 1 minus 2 sine squared what? Theta. Are you following? So from what you are having here, we are going to be having 72 now, okay, 72 cos 2 theta now, okay, it will now be equal to, this is 72, all right, brackets open 1 minus, now this is 2. Now remember that they gave us sine squared theta as 1 over 3. So anyway I see sine squared theta here, I'll put what? 1 over 3. So brackets open 1 over 3, bracket what? Bracket close. Now this is equal to 72. All right, now brackets open 1 minus 2 times 1 is 2 over what? Over 3. Is that clear? All right, so this is equal to 72 brackets open. Now of course 1 is still the same thing as 1 over 1, so LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. Is that clear? Now divide 3 by 1, that is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Now divide 3 by 3 is 1. 1 times 2 is what? Is 2. Okay, so I'll be having 72, okay, brackets open, 3 minus 2 is 1 over what? Over 3. Is that clear? Now 3 here is 1, 3 in 7 is 2, remainder 1, 3 in 12 is what? Is 4. Okay, will be equal to, now what is this? What is the answer at the end of the day? Now 24 times 1 is 24. So it means that 72 cos 2 theta is equal to what? To 24. That is what? Our answer. Thank you.